ते फिगर्स ते 9% वाढले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया फिगर्स हा. आता तू पळय 2019 एंडान म्हाका दिसता काय 2020 एंड मार्चान कोविड स्टार्ट जालें. तेन्ना साकून फॉरेन टुरिस्ट सामके देंवले. तर टील 2023 पासून फॉरेन टुरिस्ट स्लोली ओपन जाले आनी आतां रिवेंज ट्रॅव्हल स्टार्ट जाला. तर म्हाका दिसता जानेवारी फेब ते मेन म्हयने आहा फॉरेन टुरिस्ट ट्रॅव्हलांक भायर साकून. थिंगासोर विंटर आहा, ते सानाक येता, हेवटेन येता. थोडे वाडले ते. तूं आजून पासून पळयल्यार हांव म्हणटलें आतां हे 15% तूं एक कप दवरल्यार उदकाचो जाल्यार दीस इज 15% फूल एंड 85% स्टील एम्प्टी. There are two, three facts I would like to say in this regard. One is that if you look at the 2019 figures, I think are still at 55-60% of that. The other revenge travel is start. The second point which I want to make, revenge travel is started. I was just reading an article in an international magazine called The Economist. If you see that uh, you just take two emerging markets which are fifth and sixth in the world, say Turkey and Mexico. They are getting around 60 million tourists a year and 50 million. So India overall is still quite low. It is, I think, we'll land to 8 to 10 million. And the second thing is, if you take growth, if you see places like Albania, Saudi Arabia, Bulgaria, their growth has been at least 140 to 100%. So considering that we should really work hard to attract foreign tourists, because it's like exports. Any country, it's like foreign exchange earnings. And if you get that, it is surplus money coming in the economy and it's good, it percolates all over. So we have to really have a proper strategy to get international tourists. So there has been some improvement, but there is still a long way to go.
सो आनी कितें करपा जाय एट्रॅक्ट करपा खातीर
Main India now is the transparency and infrastructure. So if the government has done some work, toilets have improved on a lot of sites, and it's more clear. But still, connectivity is improved, airports have improved. But last mile is a big problem, especially if you take Goa. Everything is good. Coming to Goa is good. Accommodation choices are good. Food is good. Great restaurants. The problem comes on two fronts. One is your transport at the last level, because we don't know how to travel. And now we have two other issues which are cropping up, largely is cleanliness and not having enough authentic local experiences, which private players are addressing, but more support has to come for them.
सो अपकमिंग सीजन येवपा जाय ऑक्टोबर म्हयने सो वॉट यू लायक टू से वाडटलें अशें दिसता
We are hopeful. I think in the west also things are picking up. People are traveling more, but we have to two things in Goa we have to work hard on is cleanliness. आणि आता इतलो पावस जाला ह्या monsoon सगळे रस्ते पाड पडले. We have to somehow see that they are brought up to scratch.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.